What's going on YouTube? It's Alex from Avid Tech and we're back with another video. We're getting back to that time of the year where us students either hate or love this time of the year. Not only the fall season, that's great as well. That's probably my favorite season of the year, but it's back to school time. So for this video, we're going to be looking at the best tech you may need for back to school. Let's get into it. So the first item we have is going to be a little bit more geared toward my college students, but it's going to be the Sony SRSXB23. A little bit of a mouthful, but this guy it comes in a blue and a black. I chose the blue version. I absolutely love it. It's a nice slate blue, so it's not too bright, not too intrusive. It is waterproof. It's going to be great. It's lightweight, it's nice and portable, easy to carry, easy to pack. Obviously in a backpack or anything like that. It comes with your media controls here. It does connect obviously Bluetooth wise, but you can open this compartment up here using this little dongle here, and then you have a USB-C for charging. So that's going to be your ports there. You have your volume up, volume down if you need to use it in your pause, and play if you need to use it on the speaker. Obviously you can do that from the connected media device. Coming in at just $90, this speaker is going to be very comparable to your popular JBLs and your Logitechs, some other portable speakers that are out there that most people end up getting. But this one here, sound quality wise, very comparable. I think the bass is actually better than the Logitech on this one. The JBL is kind of whichever one, it's kind of person dependable. But this portable speaker is great. You know, taking outdoors, it's fantastic for that. Long walks or whatever the case is. You're sitting out having a party with your friends, a little fire pit action. It's also great for indoor use, for hanging out, things like that. Just wanted to listen to some music in a space. Sticking in the same sort of industry, we have for our second item, the Homepod. You guys are probably familiar, but Apple's Homepod is its smart speaker / assistant. So it's going to give you a little bit more capability than the previous Sony speaker we just looked at in terms of just being a voice assistant. It does have a 360-degree kind of viewing angle, so it can hear and everything like that from all angles. It also picks up your phone if you're close by to do any kind of interactions or interactive media with your phone as well. The HomePod is also great for controlling your home. Everyday living, lighting, anything like that is going to be great having the HomePod. Any voice assistant will work. I just find that the HomePod is a little bit more fine-tuned than Alexa, if I can say that, or Google's Assistant, whatever the case is. But there's all kinds of smart speakers out there, but to me, Apple HomePod kind of takes the cake. For the third item, we've got the Ninja Blender Nutra Pro Compact Personal Blender. What it is? Got 1100 peak motor. It is kind of loud. I will say that off the bat. It is sort of loud if you're getting up and early and getting at it after it in the gym, whatever the case is. You probably don't want to use this if you've got people right around the kitchen area that are sleeping or anything like that. It is very, very loud, but it does work really, really well. Its Auto IQ technology is something that Ninja has really thrived at in their other models. They brought it to this compact one here. This is my favorite one. I've used one in the past, a little bit bigger, a little bit heavier, but this one's lightweight, can move it around, but it stays in one place for me for the most part in the kitchen area. It comes with two 24-ounce cups with spout lids, so there's no spill on it or anything like that. BPA free, very, very nice quality shaker cups. Ninja Blender is very easy to use with its interactive display and its Auto IQ technology, allowing it to kind of sense based off of what you put in it, fruits, ice, water, milk, whatever the case is, kind of combo. It senses off of that and then blends it for that time allotted that it needs. If you're on your health grind, the Ninja Blender is definitely a must-have. Easy to use, very, very clean, very, very lightweight, portable. You can move it around easy if you want it in your room. If you want it in the kitchen, I would say the kitchen, just because you're going to bring in fruits, frozen stuff in there, milk and all that stuff. You don't want that necessarily in the room. But dorm situations might be a little bit different, but if you're in college. But anybody can really use this. If you're trying to be a little bit healthier, this is the perfect way to start. Last but not least for today's video, we've got something fun and pretty functional, I had to say. But we've got this sleek, modern design motion light from Vinelight. So they've got a cool product line, but this is something that caught my eye, caught my attention, because I wanted something that I could use in a closet. Obviously you can also use it for under cabinet lighting, even under bed lighting or nightstand, anything like that, hallway, whatever the case is. But it actually just sticks via a strip that is provided, a 3M strip that's provided, so it's easy to kind of tear off and move if you want. It doesn't mess up any kind of materials or anything like that, but it's battery operated as well. But it's nice LED kind of bright lights inside here and inside this diffuse strip, and then it's got the sensor obviously right here, the Vinelight title at the top. But it's a really nice, sleek, as you can see, nice little stainless steel kind of design or material, very sleek, very light and portable, and small device that you can kind of, like I said, put anywhere or anything like that. So guys, that'll do it for the video today. Just to recap, we discussed the Sony portable smart speaker, the Apple HomePod, the modern LED motion light, and also Ninja's NeutraPro compact blender. All of these are must-haves if you're going back to school this year for 2022. Let me know in the comments below. Obviously I'll post them down below in the description if you want to check any of the items out or multiple items out. But let me know in the comments below if you already have one of these items, you're already set to go back to school, if you're thinking about getting one of these, and if so, which one or which ones would it be? Thanks, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.